We have come here, only realistic Prabhupada's tone. Then we will get, if we tell, we will reading this, we will be a great Pandit and we will defeat many persons and this, it is not for Shastra, for not that. Shastra, Vyasadeva told, what Parikshita Maharaj asking and Shukadev telling, and from this 7th canto, it was started that the Yudhishthira Maharaj is asking and Narad Maharshi is telling, this thing is coming. You may ask what it is. 7th canto, where Yudhishthira is coming, where Narad is coming, we don't know. We don't know why it has come. But it is a drama. That one character will come, then the other character will go, that character will come, that how we will understand it? That is very interesting thing. Interesting thing that when the Yudhishthira became king, he asked one question to Narad Maharshi. What is? The Krishna Bhagavan, he should be impartial. Demons and demigods, all are his sons. Gents, ladies, all are his sons and daughters. Why he was supporting the demigods? It is not good. It is a very, very bad thing. It's Bhagavan. Why he was supporting? It is not good. In this connection, and another very reasonable question also he asked, what it is? This Shishupal, he killed. Krishna Bhagavan killed. And he went, mixed with the Krishna's body. Vaikuntha Loka says, how it is? The yogis, they are doing yoga with much austerity. They are getting that is the Sajudya Mukti. And a demon, he got it. It is impartial. 100% impartial. Then Narada Muni told Hiranyakha, Hiranyakashipu, how they came from Vaikuntha Loka, and then return becoming the Jagai Madhai. this in this way. And Hiranyakashipu, Hiranyakha, then another demon Moedanav. In this way it was finished. Then when this Hiranyakashipu, the Nrsimhadev killed, then he told to the Prahlad Maharaj that your father, when touch my body, don't think that he has got, he will go to Vaikuntha Lok because I touch him. And Hiranyakashipu is the Jai Vijay. Understanding? So, Mahaprabhu is telling you should do your shraddha of your father. Understanding? He told. Then, hearing this, and Prahlad Maharaj also did this. Then the Yudhishthira Maharaj told, what is the need of this Pitru Shraddha? Because his father, Vaikuntha Parikar, and when he left his body, he is on the lap of Nrsimhadev. He has not got to Vaikuntha Loka. Huh? Why? The Prahlad Maharaj did Shraddha. And that Shraddha, who will eat? He to went to Vaikuntha Loka. Who is eating? Many things. Goswami had discussed many things. Who ate? He went to Vaikuntha Loka. And Shastra is telling who is chanting his seventh generation ahead and after his death. They will go to Vaikuntha Loka. Why Pitru Shraddha will be done? So who is eating this? That eating one Shraddha Deva Manu. If your Pitrudev will not coming and taking, the Shraddha Deva Manu is giving, taking. Shraddha Deva Manu. So, in this way, he asked what is the dharma? Why you have to do this? And if the Vaishnavas, they will not do the Pitru Shraddha, then why Prahlad Maharaj is Vaishnava? Maharaj. Why he did this? It is a question. Question is that if we will not, one Grihastha, he was not Vanaprasthi. Prahlad Maharaj is a Grihastha. Understanding? So he should do this. Otherwise he is not Grihastha. That's why in Hari Bhakti Vilas it is stated that you should do your Shraddha by the Mahaprasad. If Vaishnava will not do Shraddha, why Hari Bhakti Vilas it was saying that you should do your Shraddha Huh? By the Mahaprasad. Understanding? In this way, they discussed many things. That is the Varnashrama dharma first, then the first Varna dharma, then Ashrama dharma, then Grihastha dharma, and this is the how sannyasis would stay. It is coming. This chapter. So this chapter we have discussed many things. We have discussed many things and it will take a long time. Only I am telling the names. This is the dharma. This is dharma. What we will do? The dharma is divided by Laukik, Vaidik, Adhyatmik and Apadharma. How many types? Not remembering. Laukik. Right. Cannot you remember it? We are the professors, we are teaching in this way. Laukik, Vaidik and Adhyatmik and Apadharma. Laukik, which is in your country and everywhere it is going on. That is Laukik. We are giving the water rice in summer season to the deities. Water rice, pakhalo. But Jagannath is getting water rice all season. All season. That is the Laukikachar. And Vaidik is Varna Ashrama. Varna means Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. In this way. Ashram means Brahmachari, Grihastha and Vanaprasthi and Sannyas. In this way it is staying. You may ask why this thing, nonsense things. We will do bhajan. And when you will grihastha, you have to observe it. Otherwise, this Vedic religion cannot continue. One example I may tell that marriage. You know that Sri Ram Bhagavan, here staying, he married to Sita Devi. Sita Devi married. Hearing one washerman wife's word, he divorced his Sita Devi. But he married in Vedic way. Then when the Aswametha Yajna is going, Brahman is telling you, you cannot do. Why? Now your wife is not staying. Now I cannot bring him. I have divorced it. But you divorce. But how it will be done? No. Once you marriage means you cannot divorce it. Understanding? Once you marriage, by keeping the fire, witness this fire, you cannot do divorce. That divorce is not approved by the Shastra. Understanding? It is not approved by the Shastra. Brahmanas told, no, we cannot do Yajna. Yajna means wife and husband will do. I told that in Choti that we will do the Bhumi Puja by the Brahmanas told you cannot do because you have no wife. I told that you are telling that at the age of 87 I will marry. It is not possible for me. Any Grihastha should do it, no problem. So Ram Bhagavan was in danger because he left his wife. Telling that I left my wife. Yeah, you left your wife, but wife had not separated from you. Because, why? I divorced it. And what divorce? In office, officer is Brahman. Officer is not Brahman. So your divorce has no meaning. Bible. So be careful. If you will marry, means you are in very danger. Brahmachari should be our. If you will marry, you will be in very danger. Because if you will marry, you cannot divorce him. Correct what I am telling. It is Shastra is telling. Then the Brahmans told, one thing you do, you should make one golden Sita. And we will give Nyasa and Yajna will be done. So in this way, this Vedic religion is very strict in this Varna and Ashram Dharma. Very strict. If you will take sannyas, you take sannyas, no problem. But be careful. After accepting the sannyas, you should be careful. If you will live, you will not, you will fall down, then you will be Bantasi. Bantasi means Bantang vomiting. The cats, they will vomiting and will eat. So be careful. Those who are becoming Grihastha, don't be accept sannyas dharma. that will be, if when will you return, you will be Bantasi. It is stated, because we are reading the Manusmriti, in day it is many things told there. Then it is coming the Adhyatmika Dharma. Adhyatmika Dharma also here in 14th canto, the Narada Maharshi is telling. Adhyatmika Dharma means, that is, it is Laukika Dharma, in social Dharma. And Adhyatmika Dharma means, it is Krutej Adhyayato Vishnu Tretayang Jajato Makhi Dwapare Paricharjayang Kalautat Harikirtanat. This is Adhyatmika Dharma. You are chanting, that is Adhyatmika Dharma. Hari Sankirtan, all can do. He may be Christian, he may be Muslim, he may be anybody, no problem. It is Adhyatmika Dharma. It is the Yuga Dharma. Krutej Adhyayato Vishnu Tretayang Jadato Makhi Dwapare Paricharjayang Kalautat Harikirtanat. Understanding? So, that is Adhyatmika Dharma. It is beyond this Dharma. Now it is, what is the time? I will stop. Yes. Now I am going to the Adhyatmika Dharma. And other is, here, 1-2 lines I will tell. No problem. Other is Apadharma. It is 5 types. It is stated in this 7th chapter, 7th canto. That is Apadharma, Vidharma, Paradharma, Upadharma, Chayadharma, and Abantara Dharma. Abantara Dharma. That is, this Abanta Dharma also many types. Aul, Baul, Karta Bhaja, in this way. So these things, if we will discuss, it will take long time. Now, so that this sloka I am expressing. So in this way, in Jati Dharma, if we will lead, we should stay like the Ajagar snake. It's coming. Krishna will send. Don't be worried for your ahara. Ahara nidra bhaya maithunancha samannam etat nara samannam etat pasubhi dharmo hi tesang madhiko vishesha dharmena hina pasubhi samana. Ahara. All are taking. I will take. What is the most important? That is dharma. So, this don't think about dharma. That is, we are the Adhyatmika Dharma doing. Chant Krishna Nam always. So, here telling Santushta Jenake no va Rajan no Varteta Pivarina. Any is coming, you should be satisfied. If you are not satisfied, Then first this Jiva will tell him, it is not good. Who cooked it? Not good. First Jiva Vega will come. When we are come to Math, Tirtha Goswami Maharaj was staying. Bhakti Pradipa Tirtha Goswami Maharaj, who was the disciple of Bhakti Vinod Thakur. He will tell, hey, they are like the boys like us. Hey, first, Jiva Vega. When Jiva Vega will come, there is no time for eating. Every time he is taking. In kitchen house, in storehouse, in everywhere. That is Jiva Vega. Then that Jiva Vega will come to Udara Vega. Belly. Oh, I am getting much pain, I am not taking anything. That's why Ekadashi Upavas, that Upavas is we are doing. So we should not be like other people. How we will eat? Then Jiva Vega, then come Udara Vega. Then Udara Vega, Upastha Vega, then you will marry. What it is? Then separation, it is very difficult. No datu, Manusmriti is telling, no datu kama kamanang upabhogena samyati habisha krishna vartmeiva bhuya eva vivardhate. If you will take your tongue, it will not satisfy. Tongue will want many things. That's why people are becoming demon. Aharu. So if you will practice the demonic religion, then you will be demon. Manusya rupena. So no jatu kam kamanang mupabhogena samyati. That's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur wrote, Sarira vidyajal jodendriya tahekal জীব ফেলে বিষয় সাগরে। তার মধ্যে জিহ্বা অতি লোভময় সুদূরমতি, তাকে যেতা কঠিন সংসারে। কৃষ্ণ বড় দয়াময়, করিবারে জিহ্বা জয়, সুপ্রসাদ অন্ন দিল ভাই। I was in boyhood very জিহ্বা picky. Not always taking this in this way. When I promised no, without prasad I cannot take anything, জিহ্বা automatically finished. তার মধ্যে জিহ্বা অতি লোভময় সুদূরমতি, তাকে যেতা কঠিন সংসারে। Understanding? You control every sense except this tongue. That's truth. He is telling, no jatu kama kamanang mupabhogena samyati habisha krishna vartmeiva bhuya eva vivardhate. Okay? Here this thing told And now the time, any question? Ask.